Hello, let us talk about back titration. This is the definition given by Skoog, that back titration is a process in which the excess of a standard solution used to consume an analyte is determined by titration with a second standard solution. Back titration are often required when the rate of reaction between the analyte and reagent is slow or when the standard solution lacks stability. So tingnan muna natin, ano ang mga requirements? You need a standard solution, yung unang standard solution, and a second standard solution. So bali dalawa. And then you have your analyte. Tapos, ano pa ang kailangan? Bakit ka mag-back titration? The reaction is slow. Kapag slow yung reaction, usually hindi ganon ka-defined yung endpoint. So, proceed tayo. Meron tayong example. In the case of the analysis of phosphate by titration with silver nitrate, the reaction, so ito yung titrant, yung unang standard. Ito yung analyte. The reaction is precipitation. Sa precipitation kasi hindi sharp yung endpoint. Kahit malapit ka na sa endpoint, hindi mo masasabi kung malapit ka na or na-over mo na yon. So, dinadagdag to ng excess, yung silver nitrate. Dadagdagan ng excess, tapos yung excess na silver nitrate, itatitrate with a second standard solution, potassium thiocyanate, and this is the reaction. Then, dito na yung makikita yung endpoint because your indicator here is iron. When you add excess na of, kasi naubos na yung silver, so magsusobra na naman yung potassium thiocyanate, it will react with the indicator iron to form a red complex. So makikita na to kasi magpo-form to ng red. So ito na yung endpoint mo kapag nag-red na siya. So kunyari, ito yung phosphate, itong blue, etong red ang silver nitrate, at etong brown ang thiocyanate. So it says here, the amount of silver nitrate ito is chemically equivalent to the amount of phosphate plus the amount of thiocyanate used in the back titration. The amount of phosphate ito is then the difference between ito minus yung thiocyanate.